What are you doing right now? Nothing. It's COVID. Hey everyone, as you can tell by the title of the video, today I will be recreating a Nicki Minaj look for Halloween. Before we get into the video, remember to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. And remember to just check out my other videos, like even if you watched it already, rewatch it again, you know? What are you doing right now? Nothing. It's COVID. You have all the time in the world to just support me. So subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications and just leave a thumbs up, or you could even leave a thumbs down. You know, any type of publicity is great publicity. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Let's get right into it. To start out this makeup look, I started on a fresh, clean face, moisturized. I will be doing a video on my skincare routine, and I'm going in with my baby skin primer, and I'm going to just push that into my pores. I'm also going to brush my eyebrows again. Now I'm going in with my foundation I will be using on my face. I like using foundation on the top of my eyebrows because I feel like it's a better look than putting on a lighter color than your skin tone. And then I'm going in with my European Wax Powder Eyebrow Charcoal Color Palette. And I'm just going to follow the natural lines of my brows. I like doing mini strokes when I do my eyebrows. This helps it give it a more natural look. And then I'm just filling it in. And you also want to brush in the powder to give it a more seamless look. You want to do a lot of brushing. And then just fill in wherever you see that there's any spots with not as much. Now I'm going in with my Pro Corrector, and I'm just following the bottom line of my brow to clean it up. And then I will be spreading this all over my eyelid and buffing it down with my sponge. This helps give the eyebrows more of a pop. It also makes your eyes look bigger, and it helps with applying shadow or any eyeliner. Quick dance break because I did a good job. Now I'm going in with my orange color Pro Corrector to get any of my dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and I'm just going to buff that in with my sponge that I've been using. And you want to start as little as possible and then gradually add on. If you put too much at once, you're going to end up with an orange face. And this is to help hide those dark spots. And then I'm going in with my New York X foundation that I use for the top of my brows. And then I'm just going to spray some water and blend that in with my blending sponge. So for the liner and lashes, I'm using this magnetic eyelash kit my mom got me from Amazon. It's alright. I could do a review on it if you'd like. And I'm just going to use that magnetic eyeliner for the wing, because Nicki actually had a wing during her performance. I'm not gonna lie, I hate putting on eyeliner. I'm not that good at it. It's always a struggle for me. This was like my 4th time attempting it, and honestly, I don't think I did that bad. I ended up cleaning up the edges with a ear cotton swab. Now I'm going back in with my brow corrector in beige. Be careful you don't squirt it in your eye. I'm just putting it in a triangle shape right under my eyes and under my lip. And then I just blend that in with the blending sponge. And whatever I have left on the sponge, I just pack it on my forehead. I don't like my forehead being too white. And then I'm using my pro corrector, and I think this is Hazel. And I'm just putting it wherever I want my face to be chiseled, right under my cheekbone, right on my jawline, and on the edges of my forehead. Then I'm going in with my Fit Me bronzer foundation and my Real Technique brush. I'm just going to set in that contour we just did. This helps it give it more of a definition. It helps it stay more. And then I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar loose powder. And I'm just going to apply that where I put my highlights to set that in as well. Now I'm going in with my magnetic lashes. First, I will be using mascara to lift my lashes. And then I'm just going to brush that out with a spoolie so I don't have any clumps. As you can see, it's kind of not that hard to put on this lash. You do have to play with it a little. It doesn't go on perfectly like any other lash. But the great thing about this is if you mess up, you could just rip that hoe off. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. I'm just going to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies. And I'm also going to apply the mascara on my bottom line lashes. Then I'm going in with my Clinique pink lip gloss. Nicki had a very pink lip and it was slightly glossy, so I felt like this color and this texture was perfect. I'm just going to pack it on. Then I'm going in with my blush. I think it's rosy and the brand is Milani. And the look is almost done. I'm just going to put one last touch of water because I don't have setting spray. And I'm just going to fan it dry. And there you go, a beautiful face. Hey guys, so I am done with the makeup and the hair. So now I'm gonna show you everything I bought for this look. Whenever I do, well, I only did it once, but when I do a recreation look, I go all the way in. So let's start with the shoes.
Oh my god, shoes.
So I got these from Fashion Nova. So the shoes didn't make it in the pictures, but I still wanted to incorporate it in my video. I think they're 4 to 6 inches. Very cute. I got these for about, I think I got them on sale for like 60, 40, somewhere in between there, but I could definitely see myself reusing this. The Nicki look that I'm recreating, she had like these latex wrist accessories, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So, but this is a good but. I found these, and they're like kind of similar from like far away. You can't, not really, but it's like close enough, so I don't care. I got these on Amazon for, I want to say $10. Yeah, they have this like cute lace detail and they're feathers. I don't really see myself reusing this, but and the next piece is the underwear. So I got this from Amazon. This is a 2-piece bikini. It came with the top, but the top was more like a sports bra type of style. Like it was like this. And the look that I'm recreating, Nicki had like a bra like this. Like this. So this is what I'm gonna wear with the look too. I'm just wearing it right now because I didn't want to deal with it after I got my makeup on. But yeah, these are the undies that's gonna go with it. And now for the main piece of the motherfucking look. Look at Bella being mad nosy right now. Hi, Freya. Hi, Mama. This is the full body fishnet that I'm going to wear with the look. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna pull a picture up on my laptop real quick. As you can see, her fishnet barely has any lines and, you know, strong details, but it's close enough. And this is a recreation look, not an exact recreation look. This is my recreation look. And I'm not sure if I said the fishnet was the last piece of the look or if it was the main piece, but if I said it was the last piece, I lied. This is the last piece of the look. Because, you know, she has a headset. Oh no, the styrofoam thing. It's okay, I have more. Let me go get it right now. Okay, I'm back. And this is the headset piece because the look that I'm recreating, she was actually performing, so I wanted to incorporate the headset. I got these on Amazon for like $15. They came in a 3-pack. In the comments, they were like complaining that it was too small, but I think it's perfect. I don't see anything wrong. I look so cute. I look like a celebrity. I look so cute. I haven't gotten dressed up in so long because of quarantine. But that's okay because I'm about to take so many pictures right now. So yeah, that's the entire look. The boots, the wrists, feathers, the full body lace. Hey, I love you. So yeah, the boots, the full body lace piece, the wrist pieces, and the headset. So I'm gonna put everything on. Bella's being crazy right now. She's as excited as I am. I'm gonna put everything on and then I'll come back. I'm so excited. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I took off my necklace because she's not wearing, Nicki isn't wearing anything on her neck, I think. But yeah, this is the final look. I feel so cute. I feel really cute. Yeah, I'm so excited to take pictures. I'm going to add the pictures right now. And now we're back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more recreation looks, then let me know down in the comment section. Happy Halloween. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday weekend. I hope you find peace with everything that's going on in the world.
Kim, there's people that are dying.
And also, I hope you subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share, and let everyone know about this amazing video I just made, right? I had so much fun getting dressed up, and I hope you guys had fun watching me. See you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.